Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Skillshare with Amazon or Apple. Complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Skillshare website or open the Skillshare app. If you're using a browser, type in skillshare.com and press enter. On the home page, locate the sign up or join button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Alternatively, you can choose the option to sign up using Amazon or Apple. If you select Amazon, click on the Sign In with Amazon button. You will be redirected to the Amazon login page. Enter your Amazon account credentials and click Sign In. After signing in, you might need to confirm access to Skillshare by clicking on Allow. Follow any. If you opt to sign up with Apple, click on the Sign In with Apple button. A pop-up will appear asking for your Apple credentials. Enter your Apple ID and password, then click Sign In. You may be asked if you want to share your email with Skillshare. Choose your preference and click Continue or Allow. Once confirmed, you will be redirected back to Skillshare. Complete any remaining fields to finalize your profile setup. Review the membership options available. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Enter your payment information when prompted. If you're using a promo code, make sure to enter it at this stage. Confirm your subscription by clicking the appropriate button. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your membership. Now, you can start exploring courses and enjoying your new Skillshare subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.